Hey, what's up, BitTorrent holder? So, what's going on, my brothers? Today video is going very special for new holder. Yes, especially for new holder. If you are new holder, then keep watch this video. Don't skip, because this video is going very informative for you. This is live price prediction of BitTorrent. Let's get started this brand video. But before I get started this video, I request you, my brother, to please subscribe abs tech channel for more this type informative videos. Just click on the subscribe button and press the bell icon for videos notification. Okay guys, so first of all, if you can see here, the last 24 hour, the latest price is 0.001 01092 US dollar as the latest price. You can see here 0.010192 US dollar as the latest price. And if you can see here, the market cap as 6.726 billion US dollar. Wow, congratulations, they gone up. I think they're starting going up. And the volume as 2.426 billion US dollar. So the crypto wallet, the crypto market cap is totally goes down 10 billion lost. Oh my god, very bad news. This is 10 billion lost the crypto market. Friends, if you know about this video, please, this is very urgent urgent news. And especially you go and check out on the Twitter. Okay, so this time, if you can see here, the changes of last 1 hour, the price is 1% change in the price. And the last 24-hour price is 1.1, as in gone down. This is very bad. Yes. So guys, let's come out to scroll down, and this time I gonna show you the graph result is very important of last 24-hour result. So guys, after the graph result, we decide to, this is same on buying time, what we do, and this critical situation for all. And if you are new holder, then keep watch this video. This is very informative for you, because you lost if you does not watch this video. Okay, so the last 24-hour result, you can see here, they're totally gone down. They're totally and the losting. You can see here, they're totally you and the losting to what we do and this critical situation. But as you can see here, this time at the last 24-hour, they gone starting like a rocket again. Why they starting again? And why they losting? And those days, these days are the starting of month, therefore any cryptocurrencies has totally gone down. So BitTorrent as also goes down. So please remember to this is the start of month, and I hope in the mid of month they give you a good profit. So what you said, this is selling time or buying time? My opinion is totally to this is buying time. If you have any plan, then please buy it and wait for the good time. Okay, so thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. This video is informative for you. Please, if you need something new, please, if you learn something new, then please subscribe to this channel for more informative videos. See you next time. Take care.